Hello, my name is Parrish Porter Bradley, and this presentation is a brief overview of my MRF project for the 2020 through 2021 research term. While working at the Colorado Fuel Cell Center under its director and my advisor, Dr. Neil Sullivan, I contributed to the center's development of high-speed throughput manufacturing methods for electrochemical energy storage devices alongside PhD candidates Long Lei, Charles Mizell, and Yudong Kim. This project represents a collaboration between mechanical engineering and the material and metallurgical engineering departments here at the Colorado School of Mines, as well as other collaborating entities and individuals. While there are numerous types of fuel cells, current technology can be somewhat limited by their manufacturing methods, which increase both time and material costs. To make progress and fulfill its goal of promoting the research, development, and commercialization of fuel cells, the CFCC is using its new Aligned Precision Ultrasonic Spraying Platform developed by company Sonatech. The device was purchased for its thin film spray deposition capabilities with the aim of utilizing the equipment to allow for the creation of planar and cylindrical PCCFCs with very thin but uniform electrolyte membrane layers shown in the diagram on the left. These thinner layers can potentially significantly increase performance, but failures can render the cell unusable, since there is no process to drive the movement of electrons and the production of electricity. As seen in the middle top diagram, these layers can be smaller than 100 microns in width, but again, any holes or gaps may cause total cell failure. The ultimate goal of this project was to find the optimal setup for rapid production while maintaining cell performance. My primary responsibility was the integration of new equipment into the laboratory setup. First, SolidWorks was used to plan and design the assembly, shown on the right. The primary components were then handmade in the machine shop. The middle bottom shows all these parts prior to assembly. The full device now uses this custom adapter between sprayer, assembly, and an engraver, which was repurposed for its 3-axis capability. This allows for precise movement control of the nozzle head in programmable patterns if necessary. The sprayer has been successfully used on planar fuel cells with a soon-to-be operational variable control motor to allow for the consistent production of cylindrical cells. These cells are then tested to determine their viable lifespan and qualities as energy devices. This work is helpful in creating a repeatable method for fuel cell production. With further refinement, this project will lead to more reliable results and subsequently a better understanding of the effects of using thin film spray deposition on proton conducting ceramic fuel cells. Future work includes not only the final integration of the motor mechanism, but a standardization of operation that allows for accurate and precise testing and analysis. Finally, any future refinement or expansion shall also be carried out as needed. Thank you for your time and for all of those involved in the support of this project.